Um, Let me just start off by saying thank you. I finally reached 2,000 subscribers, and it feels good to hit that benchmark, to hit that milestone. If you've been following my channel for a while, then you know that when I hit 500 subscribers, I made a video. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I made a video. Now that I'm at 2,000 subscribers, I'm making a video. I want to thank y'all. I swear, like, I promise you, this is not just hype. I'm really thankful for every last one of y'all who subscribes, the people who leave comments. I really appreciate y'all because it lets me know that y'all really, you subscribe to what I'm talking about. The people who share, the people who talk about my channel to other people. I'm really grateful because this is a journey that I took on for myself. I've done a lot of stuff in this industry for other people, but this YouTube channel is like the first thing that is really for me. This is something I really, really wanted to do for my own growth and development. So to see it start to incrementally grow, I'm just overwhelmed with happiness, I guess, you know what I mean? So again, I thank you guys very much for doing this. Now, I run into a lot of people that are always asking me, hey, I want to start a YouTube channel. What should I do? Or do you have any advice? I have some advice, right? And one thing I'm going to say is there are going to be 3 major hurdles that stop most people from doing a YouTube channel. Number 1 is going to be just starting, because we get caught up so much in our heads about, oh, I don't have this camera, I don't have this location, I don't have this house, this studio, I don't have help, I don't have friends, I don't have microphone, I don't have light, whatever. We get so caught up that we stop ourselves. We're thinking about things that viewers are not even thinking about. We over obsess about these things and about being perfect. That's the biggest problem that people have when it comes to starting their channel, trying to be perfect and talking themselves out of it. Number 2 hurdle you're going to run into is being consistent. Once you get past that, okay, I don't care about being perfect, I'm just going to do it. Consistency is going to be the next hurdle that's going to be hard to get over, because it's like, I got to keep creating. I keep putting stuff out, and then sometimes you'll be like, but what am I going to make a video about? What am I going to do? What am I going to post about? So consistency is the second thing. And then thirdly, the third thing that's going to make it like really difficult or a hurdle to get over is doing this without seeing the results that you want. Those 3 things are the biggest like killers to YouTube channels. If you could get past just starting, cool. If you could get past consistency, cool. Then you meet the boss of killing YouTube channels. That's when you're in this space where you're making these videos over and over and over, and you're seeing 1 view, you're seeing 2 subscribers, or you're seeing no views, no subscribers. You do that long enough, it breaks a lot of people. It makes people say, I give up, I'm not doing this anymore. So those 3 things are the biggest 3 hurdles. I'm happy to say that I've got past those 3 hurdles. I was able to start, but if I'm being honest, it took me like 5 years to start. I promise you, it took me like 5 years, if not longer, to finally get in front of this camera and say, I'm giving myself to the world, I'm here, let's go. And then the first thing I wanted to do, like anybody, is I want views. You make a video and you be like, oh, this is the one, this is fire, this one, I'm gonna get all the views. You put it up and then it's like, what? Nobody watched it, nobody liked it? And that can kill your spirit. So I had to get my brain out of that. I said, Mazi, don't think about that part. Just think about being consistent. So that's what I did. I got to the consistency. I put out a video at least once every 7 days since I started. I didn't give up. The last thing I got over was, those days of putting up videos and not having views. That was hard, but it took a while. But once I shifted my mind into focus on consistency, you can't control who views it. You can't control who likes it, who shares it, who comments. You can only control you showing up. So I made my focus showing up. And those are the 3 biggest hurdles. But I'm gonna make a whole nother longer video. This is just something quick. And not to sound like an infomercial, but if you're thinking about becoming a YouTuber, you should definitely grab my YouTube planner. I'm telling you, it's gonna be helpful, beneficial. The stuff that I've learned, the stuff that I've picked up, that's what I put into the journal. right? I've joined the Facebook groups with other YouTubers. I got me an accountability partner. I stayed focused, and a lot of those things are inside the YouTube planner, so you should definitely pick it up. And see, the other thing is you're watching me in real time. I'm not one of those people that blows up to 1 million and then come back and be like, yeah, look at me, look what I did. No, you're watching my success and my failure in real time. Some of you can say, I remember when he had 10 subscribers. I remember when he had 100 subscribers. Wow, I remember when he put the video up about 500 subscribers. The reason I do that is because I want y'all to see me as a real person. I don't want y'all to see me as someone that's so far removed that this is unrealistic, that this ain't something that you can do. I want you to look and be like, yo, I saw this man do that. He did it, and I could do it too, because you can. All right. And on that note, thank you again for subscribing. I really appreciate it. Next stop is, what's the next stop? 3,000 or 5,000? I'll say 3,000. Next stop is 3,000. Keep watching, keep telling people about the channel, keep liking, all of that, because it helps me. All right. And I'll catch you guys later. Thanks.
Hey, if you're a content creator or new YouTuber, make sure you get the all-new YouTube Planner and Accountability Journal. It's packed with checklists, motivational quotes, and lots of YouTube stats. Available now on Amazon.